Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You're starting now, park level, chalk wheels, and put the trailer on jack stands so you have solid access. Spray penetrating oil on sway bar bolts and pivot brackets. Let it soak for several minutes to ease frozen fasteners. Remove the wheel nearest the sway bar end link, then use a 15mm 19mm socket to break loose the end link nut. Move deliberately. This first work creates the clearance and loosens parts so the rest goes smoothly. Once the wheel is off and fasteners are loosened, hold the link stud with a wrench and remove the nut. If it spins, use an assistant or vise grip. Next, take off the sway bar bracket bolts. You may need a pry bar or hammer to pop the rubber bushings free. Apply more penetrating oil and work them back and forth. Make sure to keep bolts and bushings labeled so you reinstall correct parts and check each piece for cracks or deformation before reassembly. You're finishing now. Support the sway bar, slide it out of the dropouts, and lower it carefully. Use a transmission jack or helper for heavy bars. Inspect and replace bushings, then reinstall or swap new bolts and torque everything to the manufacturer's specs to prevent noise and movement. If a bolt is seized, heat the surrounding metal with a torch or carefully cut the bolt and plan to replace it. This tip usually solves frozen hardware without damaging mounting points.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.